Hey everyone, Brent Bowen, Bowen Customs here. Today we have a 2025 F-550 crew cab in the 60-inch cab to axle chassis cab. This truck is being built out by Elevation Off Grid here in Denver currently. This is their Limitless Package, so it still gets the liquid spring suspension, their wheels, tires, as well as a bunch of other things. But the Limitless, instead of the black edition, is not lifted. It doesn't have the large super singles. So as you come around here, you can see our camper bed with 18-inch garage. So tons of forward storage here. The camper bed is our proprietary bed that retains the factory floor height to keep your camper nice and low, super important. All of our chassis cab builds have a steel subframe, and what that does is it allows you to carry a much heavier camper. It also gives you a lot of options for external tie downs like you see here and you see at the back of the truck here, okay? This customer optioned a tailgate for when the camper is not installed, so you can still use it like a work truck. And then as you come around to this side, all of our traditional storage, large single door up here so you can clear your tie downs to the camper, big open space, our lower boxes, front box, and then that huge 18-inch garage that fits up to a full-size 44-inch spare tire. So this is just another great example of what we can do with a chassis cab, especially with one of our partners like Elevation Off Grid. If you guys have more questions or you want to get a quote, shoot us an email, info@bowencustoms.com. Thanks.